Hello students, good morning. Once again, come back to our English session. Today we are going to start Unit 4, Activity 4. We have seen in Activity 1, 2, 3 the story of two people, the Maharaja of Travancore and the head cook. And we saw that outside the cook saw a ripe coconut tree, and we also seen how they talked and about its punctuation. So dear students, let's start activity 4. The story lists the vegetables that the cook had in the baskets of scraps. There was only a little bit of yam. I said no. Yam means potato root. Plantain means a tropical fruit similar as banana. Cucumber and potato. There was a small carrot, a handful of green beans and a few chilies. Find the other sentence in the story that makes a list. Notice the punctuation that separates the words in the list. At our home, which things we kept as a sofa set, center table, dining table, okay, cupboards. So you have to write this list. I already mentioned with PDF. So बच्चे, now we go as per activity 5. Activity 5, the story about a new dish part 2. The cook stepped outside the tree and suddenly he had an idea. He seen the ripe coconut tree and he had a good idea. He took all the vegetable bits, washed them, cleaned them well and cut them into long strips. He put them all into a huge pot and placed it on the fire to cook. What he did? All the vegetables he took, bits, washed them, cleaned them well and cut them into long strips. Strips do you know? जो बेल्ट टाइप होता है. He put them all into a huge pot and placed it on the fire to cook. उसने बॉईल करने के लिए रख दिया. Next he ground the fresh coconut. He added green chilies, garlic and some salt. We prepared no soup at home. So he added green chilies, garlic and some salt. Soon the vegetables were all cooked. He stirred in the coconut and plenty of curd. Poured on some coconut oil and sprinkled it all with curry leaves. One item he prepared, delicious, tasty. Then after boiling over, he added green chili, garlic and some salt. Soon the vegetables were all cooked. He stirred in the coconut and plenty of curd. Poured coconut oil and sprinkled it with curry leaves. वो green आता है ना, वो curry leaves. Next page. The new dish was ready. Out of these scrap vegetables, he prepared a new dish. Do you know waste में से best करते हैं. The cook served his invention to the guests that evening. The guests loved it. The king liked it so much that he gave the cook a beautiful gold bracelet as a reward. वेस्ट में से बेस्ट बनाया, फिर भी वो महाराजा ने, किंग ने उसको गिफ्ट में रिवॉर्ड में क्या दिया? ब्रेसलेट, गोल्ड ब्रेसलेट। नो, ब्रेसलेट मीन्स जो रिस्ट के ऊपर पहना जाता है। एवरीवन वॉज ईगर टू नो द नेम ऑफ द न्यू डिश। कि क्या बनाया? सब गेस्ट तो उसका प्रेज करने लगे, बहुत बार तारीफ करने लगे। द कुक थॉट एंड थॉट, वॉट कुड ही कॉल दिस मिक्सचर ऑफ मैनी थिंग्स। उसे तो कितना सारा सब मिक्स किया था ना, स्क्रैप वेजिटेबल्स, याम, प्लेंटेन, चिली, है ना, कुकुम्बर। Avial became famous all over Kerala and is now one of the dishes in traditional feast of Kerala. Isn't it amazing that it all came from a basket of scraps and a good idea? जो वो महाराजा था ट्रैवेनकोर का, उसने जो हेड कुक था उसको आइडिया दिया और क्या बन गया? अ न्यू डिश। उसका नाम क्या रखा? एवियल, जो केरला में फेमस है। आज हमको भी पता चल गया। वी नो फ्रॉम दिस लेसन, सो प्रिपेयर्ड एट होम, टेल योर मॉम। ओके बच्चे, नाउ वी गो एज पर एक्टिविटी 6। फ्रॉम दिस एक्टिविटी वी लर्न दैट वी हैव टू अवेयर अबाउट न्यू आइडिया। वेस्ट में से बेस्ट, दिस लेसन नेम ओनली, ट्रैश एंड ट्रेजर। सो नाउ वी स्टार्ट एक्टिविटी 6। द स्टोरी टोल्ड हाउ द कुक क्रिएटेड avial for the first time. The cook did not have a recipe. He did not this idea in his mind, but as per guidance of his king, he prepared now and getting a new dish, avial. A recipe is a list of instructions for making a food dish. Recipes list the ingredients, the foods used to make the dish and the method for cooking it. For example, here is a recipe. So बच्चे, here they given the recipe of a new dish you prepare at home as an experiment. Ingredients and amounts. Serves one person. For one person here given, dried pasta 3/4 cup, 3/4 cup, butter 1 tablespoon, Amul cheese spread 2-3 tablespoons, milk 1/4 cup and salt pinch. How to prepare? So here they given method. Boil water in large pot. Boil water. Do you know when we prepare? So first we put a bowl filled with water. Add pasta, salt and a small amount of the butter. In this lockdown situation, you already knew how to prepare Maggi, pasta instant, not 2 minutes. Small amount of the butter. Cook pasta till tender, drain water. Add butter, milk and cheese. Spread to pasta. Heat gently until butter and cheese melt and serve hot. And we garnish also, no, with coriander leaves. है ना बच्चे? Okay. So prepare at home. Here they given the recipe of how to make pasta. Okay बच्चे, now we go as per our next page. Read and discuss this recipe with your classmate. Decide together what do you think this recipe makes. So how we gather in this situation? So we discuss at home. Which recipe you prepared? Okay? चलो, Now read the story, the new dish carefully and show your understanding of the story by creating a recipe for Avial. First, list the ingredients, then the method that the cook used to create the dish. You will need to invent the amounts. Be sure to include enough ingredients for the king's feast. जो वेस्ट में से बेस्ट बनाई, जो वेजिटेबल स्क्रैप में से उसने जो रेसिपी बनाई, वो आपको स्टोरी के हिसाब से लिखनी पड़ेगी. वी हैव टू राइट फ्रॉम स्टोरी. सो अ न्यू डिश पार्ट 2. वी स्टडीड दिस न्यू रेसिपी. Recipe means a set of instructions telling how to prepare and cook food. Ingredients means a food that are used with other foods in the preparation of a particular dish. Boil means heat करना. Understand? No? So बच्चे, you have to write down this recipe from the story. I send with PDF. Okay बच्चे, any doubt then ask me. Yes, they given ingredients and amount serves a one king and all his important guests. As per, you have to approximately write these ingredients and write down its method. Okay बच्चे, any doubt then ask. Take care, stay home, stay safe.